Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. As much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.